I want you to breathe me.
Hello guys, hello again YouTube. Today I am back with a brand new video. I am doing an unboxing video. I want to wait until I get back to New York, but I thought why not just do it while I am still in Paris. I've been in Paris for like 5 days already and I'm having a ball. I've been vlogging, so you guys should just go watch all my vlog videos. I went to Chanel because I wanted to get the sling bags, but they didn't have them in my size, but I have been wanting to get this anyways. Because I don't know if you guys remember, I don't really wear wallets because they're like too bulky, they just get in the way of things. I bought a YSL card holder in the gold monogram. So I'm sure you guys have watched my unboxing for my YSL card holder. It's good quality, I really like it. I will be selling this. So if you guys are interested and don't mind the color changing, yeah, I will be putting it on Poshmark, or you could just reach out to me on Instagram or in the comments. Let me know if you guys are interested in buying this. As you can see, I am very disappointed in YSL because I got the gold one because I am a gold girl, not a silver. And look, the gold is coming off. Very disappointed, and I still love this quite a lot. The real reason why I am getting rid of this is because although I don't like wallets because they're too bulky, this is perfect. My only problem with this is when I get change back, I have nowhere to put it. So I always end up having to just drop it in my bag, and then it takes me like 2 hours to find it when I'm at the register looking for the change. So it is very annoying, and I've been dying to get the Chanel card holder, but the card holder with the flap that closes. So I thought whilst I'm here, why not get a little something. So we went to Chanel and I got my card holder. Can't wait to show you guys what's in there. Of course the box, the bag come with their gardenia. That's their flower here, and it's beautifully wrapped. And yeah, this is the first time I am removing this. Ooh, so cute. I think I'm just gonna wrap my hair in this tomorrow. So it's so much better to buy designer things in Paris because you get the tax back. So when I was looking at it in the States, this was $475 and plus tax, so it would have cost me close to $500, but here it's only 360 euros plus I get about $42 back worth of tax, so which equals 360 euros to American money. It costs $414 plus I get $40 back. So yeah, I'm still a winner in that case. I still paid under $400 for it, when in total it would have cost me close to $500 in the States. So I would say, guys, if you are planning on buying designer stuff, it's worth it to come to Paris. Just find like a cheap ticket like I did. My ticket was like $400. Do a nice little vacation and just buy all the designer stuff you want. And I heard that Chanel prices are going up in July 2019, so I plan on coming back here for my birthday next April, or even before that, to just come buy my Chanel bag. I've just been dying to buy my Chanel bag. This is what it comes, and I don't even want to undo this. So what I'm gonna do is I have a knack for, I usually I am able to, yep, there you go, move it to the side so I don't undo the bow, so I could just like put it right back. This is so freaking cute, guys. It's just like nothing equals to just like opening a Chanel box. Again, beautiful black box, you know, black is classic, you can't really go wrong with that. So originally when I walked in the store, I was going to buy the lip skin one. I was set on that. Thank God the girl brought me back the caviar one. So this is the velvety pouch that it comes into, and of course on the bottom, I guess this is the care packaging. It tells you about this, how to take care of this and everything. So this is that. As you can see, Chanel. And there it is, guys. Look at this beauty. So I ended up getting the Caviar credit card holder because I use my card holders a lot, and I thought the lambskin was like too soft and very too fragile. I would just scratch it so easily. So thank you so much to the girl at the store who bought this after I've already picked. I did not even think to ask about the Caviar leather, so I'm very happy that she bought this as an option, and I ended up picking this instead. And of course the gold monogram Chanel, because I'm not a silver person, I'm a gold person, so gold for everything. Oh my god, guys, how beautiful is this? So when you open it, it has a card slot here, and then it have one little compartment on the side, and as you can see, Chanel, made in Italy. This is my first Chanel piece. I own Chanel beauty stuff, but this is the authenticity card. I won't be keeping this in here. I think I'm gonna keep this in the box, so if I am ever selling it, so I have the box to keep it in. So I've been dying to use this, so that's why I am taking it out to use right now. And oh my god, guys, I am in love. The girls are calling me. Are you guys outside?
We're about to get crepe. Do you want one? You want me to get you one?
No, honey. Sorry, guys. The girls went to a show. They're coming back, so I just stayed home. Guys, how beautiful is my Chanel? Oh my god, I just love this so much. It smells rich and luxurious, and I'm still trying to get my sling bags, so I really hope I find it. Guys, when you buy luxury stuff, I think do not pack it, because you have to show it, I think, when you get to the airport, so you can get your money back. So they give you a whole envelope and everything, and they give us the instruction page on how to get our money back and everything. So the total was 360 euros. I hate when people don't tell you what they pay for the luxury place stuff on the videos. It's like, it's not a secret. I don't understand it. So I'm just making sure my information is not on here. So guys, this is how much it came down to. As you can see, 360 euros. I am getting back 42 euros back, because I don't live here. I don't have to pay the tax. So this is called a credit card holder, Grenier Noir Bordeaux. I bought it where I stayed the first time when I was in Paris back in April, because that was my favorite neighborhood, because it's bougie just like me. So it is on Rue Faubourg Saint-Honoré. So that's where I bought it. It was the nicest experience that I've had, but it was a very lovely buying experience there. We had champagne, orange juices, and all that good stuff inside here. And then on here they give you your receipt, again with the stamp gardenia. The gardenia is their flower logo thingy. I hope I've said everything there is to say about this. Again, I went with the Caviar leather instead of the lambskin, because the lambskin is more susceptible to like scratches and all that stuff. This one is more durable, so it's going to be a lot better for me. It's going to be great now when I get change at the store. I could just drop it in here and use it later if I want to. As you can see, they have the Chanel here also. Again, this is the Caviar leather. This is the back. This is the front. I feel official. I went to a consignment store. I got 2 pair of vintage Chanel shoes, mules, for less than $300. I'll be making a video on that if you guys want to watch that. Do keep an eye out for that video to know where to go for consignment shopping. and everything if you are interested. So yes, again, I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave your recommendation or ideas, thoughts below. I'd love to hear what you guys think about my choice going for the caviar leather instead of the lambskin. And so yeah, and let me know if you guys also have this one. And yes guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Another tip guys, for when you are paying, it's gonna ask you if you want to pay in US dollar or euros. Always choose the euros because your bank will have a better rate than the rate they have in the store. So it came to like 434, but when I pick to pay in euros, when I look at my bank, it came down to 414. So yes, definitely pick euros when you are paying. Do not pick the US amount they give you, because you save a lot of money that way, because your bank will have a better rate than what they have in the store. So that's another tip. That's all I can think of right now, but if I do think of anything else, I'll leave it in the description box, and I will also just extend another part to this video.